Hello all. So after we have already discussed regarding what is exactly regression and retesting. Na? So today mostly we will complete functional testing only for important topics now. So we can discuss what is exhaustive testing, what is end-to-end testing, ad hoc testing, and exploratory testing and monkey testing. These five we can able to discuss now, and we will close the totally functional testing related total course. Okay. Before that, please try to subscribe and try to share with your friends and any beginners or anyone. Please try to share with them and sometimes I will try to upload more videos. In coming upcoming videos, I will try to upload automation testing learning with Java. I will tell with the live project too. Also, please try to support me. Yeah, in advance, thank you. So currently, we need to discuss now end-to-end testing. Today we have to close total, and the second one is exploratory testing. Uh, and exhaustive testing, and the fourth one is ad hoc testing, and the fifth one is monkey testing. Okay, we will discuss now related to these topics. Okay, first, what is exactly end-to-end testing? And after that, exploratory, exhaustive, ad hoc, and remaining testing are. So we will discuss one by one. Okay, what is exactly end-to-end testing? Testing the application from starting to ending with all requirements of the application. Then the type of testing we can able to call as a end-to-end testing. Once again, repeat. Testing the application from starting to ending with all requirements of the application. So example, I will show you. Just I have written over here. So this is the functionality for like any e-commerce applications. Okay, for example. So here end to end. Firstly, we have to register or login, then verify our details. I mean, we have to see our name is there or not, or mobile number showing which I have entered details. We can able to see or not. We have to verify. After that, we have to search our desired products and we have to add to cart. Then only we can place the order based on our desired products. We can able to order. After that, we can add the address and we can see order ID everything now. So then we can able to track, and while receiving we can get an OTP and we can verify OTP. After we can get the desired product what we have wanted, not that we can able to receive. So this type of end to end we have to perform the uh, we have to do the testing. Okay, in that we can, that is nothing but it's end to end testing. So for example, in ATM also there in ATM in ATMs. Okay, we can firstly we can put the ATM, and after that we can able to enter as per their requirement we have to do na. Then only we have to enter pin our detail. How much amount we need na, so that much of amount we have to enter. Then only we have to get the our amount na. So this is also one end-to-end process from starting to ending. While we are putting ATM card, debit card na, from that to when we remove the debit card with amount, everything with amount or without amount, everything we have to test. The type of testing we can call it as the end-to-end testing. So just I'm writing over here, and I will finish within a short time. So testing the, yeah, please try to find out some spelling mistakes. Testing the application from starting to ending with all requirements. Then we can, then the type of testing is nothing but testing is called end-to-end testing. End to end, in short form, end to end testing. This is totally related to end-to-end testing. So now we can discuss exploratory testing. Exploratory testing is nothing but, just in simple way you can understand easily, sometimes client may not give the 100% requirements. We can have to explore our knowledge with the help of subject matter engineers, SMEs, and knowledge transfer KTs and previous project experience. So then only we can able to do the exploratory testing. So for example, client is there, so one user, one user story is there. So for example, we have worked on the banking domain, any health insurance, or any telecom, any e-commerce domains are there now. So based on that, we can able to explore ourself only. Then only we can able to test that, the type of testing, exploratory testing. So have only knowledge on, there is no 100% requirement for that feature or user story, but I need to do testing. But how, based on the or my previous experience, or based on the KTs, or we have to consult any SMEs, then only we can able to test the exploratory testing. Okay, just I am giving definition is, okay, sometimes client may not give the 100 percentage of requirement. Spelling. Then we have to explore our knowledge with the help of SMEs, based on the KTs, knowledge transfers, and previous and previous work working project experience. So you can find out that in three ways. So based on the SMEs or KTs and previous your working experience, then only you can able to do the exploratory testing. So now we can able to discuss what is exactly exhaustive testing. Exhaustive testing is nothing but testing an application with all positive inputs. Testing an application possible inputs. Sorry. So here I will write. You can able to understand testing an application with all possible inputs. The type of testing we can call it as exhaustive testing. So definition is very simple. You can able to tell in front of interviewers like this. They can understand what is exactly. Okay, just we can see now example. Actually, what is exactly? Just I'm saying possible. So what is exactly? So for example, I need to I can able to withdraw amount from 0 to 5,000 rupees. I can able to, I mean, my desire needs to withdraw amount. Okay, then I need to check. I mean, I need to withdraw, not zero. Zero is just, you can assume one. Okay, I can't enter one by one. One, two, three, four, five, up to 5,000. It's take too much of time to test that. So what I need to do, I need to test with boundaries, boundary value analysis. We have BVA. We will I can tell in next third or fourth class related to this type of testing. After completion of non-functional testing, I will start this test to design techniques, business value analysis, and ECP, equivalence class partitioning, and test data. Everything we can able to discuss. Okay, but I can't enter now one to I mean, I need to enter, I need, if I need to test this, I need to almost to test 5,000 times. It's a can't take na. So only before values only I need to do. First I need to enter minimum value, minimum, maximum value. So these are the positive. Already we have discussed what is positive and what is negative testing. So we have to test positive testing. So we can first I will enter 1 rupee. Okay, then I will enter 4,909 and 5,000, and okay, these are the positive testings. I mean, this only we can exactly we can able to withdraw this type of amount. But in negative side, we can't enter. I mean, we can't. Just we have to check like -1 and 0 and 5,001. I mean, fine. 5,001 rupees. We have to. This is the negative testing. So if we can able to withdraw this type of amount, but we can't able to withdraw like -1, 0, 5,000. I mean, above more than 5,000. Na? So this type of testing we can able to call it as exactive testing. So instead of testing 5 times of 5,000 of testing, we can able to simply do this type of boundary value analysis based on the BVA technique. We can able to do that testing in the exactive testing, and it's a can't possible with the high range of values. Exhaustive testing is, okay, spelling is mistaken. Okay, exhaustive testing is not possible for higher range of values. Okay, you can must and should you can able to know this, and remaining also you can able to, I mean, learn everything. That's also important. Just I'm saying. So now we can able to discuss ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing is nothing but due to lack of time, instead of checking all possibilities, testing only main possibilities of an application. That is nothing but we can call it as a ad hoc testing. Just again I am repeating, due to lack of time, instead of checking all possibilities. So for example, we have to give the sign off within 5 hours, so there is no time. So but functionality, there are, I mean, important functionality all there. So then what we have to do, we have to do only main functionalities. Okay, P1, P2, and this type of working functionalities, working fine or not, we have to test. But we can skip in ad hoc testing like a P4 and a P3. Then that's no problem, because in the ad hoc testing means due to lack of time only we have to testing na. So that's only main functionality only we are testing. So everything they will take care of that. I mean, scrum are also our manager and leads, everything they will take care, because there is no problem for P4 and P3 defects. So but coming to P1 P2, I mean priority one, P1 P2 P2 means priority one, priority two, we have severity, everything we have. We will discuss in next classes. Okay, so this is nothing but ad hoc testing. And coming to now monkey testing. Monkey testing is simply nothing but testing. I mean, we can, due to lack of time, same. I mean, we have no time. Without following any standard and rules and regulations, then we can conduct the testing. The type of testing we can call it as a monkey testing. Once again, repeat it. Due to lack of time, without following any standard guidelines, rules, regulations, then we can test only ourselves. I mean, a zigzag testing. We can do our in our way only. We can able to test without following any rules and regulation. Then we can, it's called as a monkey testing. And we have like buddy testing are also there. So buddy testing is nothing but it's also same. Due to lack of time, testing engineer joins with the developer and conduct the testing in the parallel way. So to complete on time, that's nothing but a buddy testing. Just again repeat it. Due to lack of time, there is no time. Testing engineers joins with the developer and conduct the testing and developing parallelly to complete the work on time. So that's nothing but buddy testing. Okay, like this type of testing we have in the functional testing. Okay, then we can able to discuss non-functional testing. So in this we can able to discuss like a GUI testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, software and hardware compatibility testing, inter-system testing, security testing, authentication testing, direct URI testing, user permission testing, encryption testing, password testing, installation testing, everything we have to do. I mean, we can able to learn in next classes. That's also important for in the system testing. Okay, thank you all. Bye. And before that, please try to subscribe my channel and like some. If you like that, please like my videos also. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.